I need to make money.
Get go Insta punakalin.
Washa.
Get go Insta.
I'm not an Insta baby, so
Get
no.
go Insta punakalin.
I'm not an Insta baby, so why would I go live on Insta?
I love TikTok.
Get go Insta.
Also, someone tell me to run this. That's what
Other people. She's live. And he wrong in, but
yes.
he wrong in.
Follow Swam.
Yeah. I didn't follow and in fact to run this person. You're wrong.
Are you correct, Lindo?
Guys, that's my sister. Also, someone to
You're wrong, very wrong.
Momo.
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna find me, my sister's profile, you're gonna follow me. You better do the right thing.
Her name is Nomonda Nalani. Follow my sister. Guys, it's someone to Tisa. Why didn't I make me? I'm Lalin.
What the? That looks so weird.
Yo, Marafide. Namasunjani isikhathini. Nomntana kho ngadlipa up yathini. So like yeah.
You only want chicken. Just chicken.
Hey, Tom.
Hi. Nangisiswam. Basi mina ngi-racist. Nangu mina isiswami. What's racist for what?
I'm like,
Because I'm with my family today. Right? What's in? Hi, Sandy. Hi, Soso. Love it.
You know that.
Mtanamlo, guys. Mtanamlo. No, I'm live. Do you guys want to cover the live?
I don't.
It's the best restisa what TikTok, but it's their pools I go TikTok. It's wrong, Lento. What is poozing? This is my sister. Guys, it's choosing my scared, and I'm sad. Yeah, my boy, my boy. If you don't take nothing, I love you guys. I love you too, baby. You're right. You're wrong, so you're wrong. Mina ngintshela ngathi thatha ipen eblue uthathe iphepha elimhlophe hayibo akubhala umuntu wakho kulelo phepha umtshela ukuthi come duze my baby ne bese uyamvalela lebhodlela elihle uzobuya mina wami ngimbuyisile wazobona akafuni ukuthi ngiveze akafuni ukuthi ngiveze akafuni ukuthi ngiveze ngimbizile la Ask questions, guys. Me have a man.
Aku famous.
Ubani ufuna ukuba ifoni yami mina kufuza manje. Ne-5 iyangena. Yabona usami yamthethisa yambo. Ne-5 iyangena. Hey.
Mina ngifakile.
And then follow. Michelle Mabaso.
Mina ngifakile 2 rand njengoba mncane wakhe une-boyfriend
And bekade inkinga ethandweni ezothando bezimluma. Sisi, sasitembani thini?
ngine-boyfriend namhlanje.
Ekuthandayo ungakhohlwa ukuthi ekuthandayo.
Engithandayo ngafaka i-2 rand boma last week.
I think it's very fun. It's fun.
Hayi ngavuka kumele ubude khoneni.
Love you too, so. No sound, or it's my phone. Guys, you can't hear me. If you can't hear me, please comment with Aningizwa, all of you. Someone go to share too.
Yes. There's a point like that.
Lena, yega.
Baqala lento zaseJohn Falls.
Yega. Guys, akafuna ukuthi ngimveze. Ngimbize ngephepha. No, bese kangilahlile. Ngambiza ngephepha. Hayi songulahlile.
Yes, good job. Happy that I put that.
Why are you not responding? I have been greeting you since. So sorry, Sandosama. I don't see your comment. Andula fast, I'm a comment. We can't hear you. Okay, who else can hear me? Back a woman. How to bring back a woman? You do the same. Go through my playlist.
What I'm saying, what I'm doing.
When I'm sitting
under the tree and I'm
Mathabi yashisa lento engenzele yona mos. Yashisa. Ngadala guys, this is my best friend. Choose my ketela. Yambona wala. Married to me. Hey ladies, network is. Am I having the bad network? No, my network is okay.
This one is for you. What I'm saying.
You can also do it to women. You can also do it to women. It works. It's not gender based, Shemle. It's not gender based.
Everybody's when they see you.
Yeah, but still keep my kitchen.
Guys, I think I'm forgetting to run lamp. I'm serious, Linda, I'm to run there.
Clean up the table. Count the empty.
Tokaze bathi usalele manje ngenze njani? Uthi ufaka iphepha phansi komcamelo asalele so.
Yeah.
Maqeda umtsipho abafana basila umtsiphe. Umtsiphe ungitsipele yena. Hi guys. Anilali kanti kusebusuku.
Clean up the table.
Uthi ngithathe i-blue page nephepha neperfume. bhala igama lomfana uspray ngeperfume bese ufaka komkamelo makangephi umsipho Mandele blue page no kanti uthini bathi blue page bayashaya white page blue pen lelo uyi-one babe songezwa ne sometimes abafana kumele bakhiyele ema-bathroom umuntu ahlale lapha i-weekend yonke once ngoba bayahluka mina ngiyamkhiyela umuntu ongafuni ukufa khona ufuna ukujoyina except usinda ngiyasibebe okay guys nangu Naomi Mabasola Naomi Mguni.
Oh, hi people. I'm Naomi. Hey guys. Yo, batabezwa sithi nithatha ipene red. Nithatha iphepha elimhlophe.
Bambale 7 times.
Nibhale
Manje bathi
7 times. Yeah. Did you meet the live? No sound. But see, the sound is muted.
The sound is muted.
Let's check. How open